Peter Sayadzad with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. Going through a divorce can be scary, intimidating, and confusing all at the same time. I'm sure there are so many questions running through your mind. How will I pay my bills on my own now? Will I be able to support my child or children all by myself? What if I can't pay all my bills and support my children with just my income? Those are all important and valid concerns. Thankfully, in the state of Texas, there is spousal maintenance, which is similar to alimony. We're going to talk about the basics of spousal maintenance and what you need to know if you decide to request this in your divorce case. Number 1, spousal maintenance is needs-based. Your income will be judged against your expenses each month. If it is determined you cannot meet the minimal requirements to keep your head above financial water, then that is a good start to being able to receive spousal maintenance. Your minimal, basic needs are what the judge will look at. This means rent, food, clothing, gas for your vehicle, and not much else. You will notice that this does not mean you are going to be able to live exactly how you used to in the manner that you have become accustomed to. Spousal maintenance is not about maintaining a certain lifestyle. If you cannot afford the basics in life without financial assistance from your spouse, then you can have spousal maintenance ordered in your case. The other side of this is that your spouse must be able to afford to pay you the spousal maintenance. If he or she has no income that can be used to pay your spousal maintenance, then it will not be ordered. This is why it is so crucial for you and your spouse to submit detailed accountings to the judge of your household budget. Any mistake in either direction could determine whether spousal maintenance is ordered in your case. Number 2, the next requirement you need to keep in mind when it comes to having spousal maintenance is the length of your marriage. You and your spouse will need to be married for at least 10 years for a judge to order spousal maintenance. Depending on the length of your marriage, you might be entitled to even more spousal maintenance in terms of duration. Most spousal maintenance awards do not last any longer than 7 years. There are ways to end your obligation to pay spousal maintenance. The most common method will be to file a motion to terminate the spousal maintenance if your former spouse begins to move in with a romantic partner. Cohabitating with someone you are in a romantic relationship with is grounds to terminate spousal maintenance in Texas. I hope this video answered your questions and concerns about your divorce case. However, if it did not, or if you have any different questions, please call our office today at 281-810-9760. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on post notifications for our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook for more updates.